Imagine you're the Minister of Industry in a nation of 40 million people. Your tech workforce is lagging and the AI revolution is accelerating. Where do you begin? The AI Forward Alliance is releasing an analysis of women tech professionals across 91 countries, offering insights into tech workforce trends. Here's what you'll find: a breakdown of the total number of women in tech across each country. Trends based on historical data showing whether the number of women in tech is growing or declining and at what pace. Patterns that emerge when comparing these trends against a country's income level. We then offer actionable insights. Using longitudinal impact data from a proven global tech skilling program, we recommend how many girls ages 8 to 18 your country needs to engage in AI skilling today to double the number of women in tech over the next 14 years. We did a salary analysis across a range of countries comparing the salary you may earn in the service sector, which is what many women go into, compared to what a software engineer may earn. On average, software engineers earn $26,000. This would contribute $212 billion to the economy and would provide a return on investment of 565 times. This isn't just data, it's a roadmap. Invest in AI skilling today, build your country's future workforce.